The ratio of milk to water in 3 containers, each with similar capacity, are 1:4, 3:7 and 2:13 respectively. If the contents of all 3 containers are emptied into a single vessel, then what will be the ratio of milk and water? Okay, ratio of milk and water given in 3 containers, milk to water ratio 1:4, 3:7 and 2:13 respectively, and contents of all 3 vessels are emptied into a single vessel. See, these 3 containers are mixed, but before mixing one condition is given, that is all the 3 vessels are of same capacity. But in ratios you can notice first ratio is having 5 parts. So first container volume is 5 parts only. Second container volume is 10 parts and third container volume is 15 parts. We are given containers are having same capacity. If containers are having same capacity, make their capacities equal, make their volumes equal. How can you equate the volumes? Here you have 5 parts, here you have 10 parts, here you have 15 parts. Equate them to their LCM. 5, 10, 15 LCM is 30. Make sure volume of each container is 30. To make volume 30, I multiply first ratio with 6. Second ratio volume is 10 parts into 3, 30. And third container volume is 15 parts into 2, 30. Now all the containers are having same capacity. Now they are mixed into a third container. First container contains 6:24. Second container contains 9:21. And third one contains 4:26. These are the ratios of milk and water in 3 containers. And all of them are emptied into a single vessel. And that vessel contains milk 19 parts. 19, 6, 9, 15 plus 4, 19. And water 24 plus 21, 45. 45 plus 26, 71. 19:71 will be the ratio of milk and water in the mixture. Okay, answer is option 2.